The weekly code quiz. So we've spent a lot of time reviewing tables, and now it is time to move on to forms. Why do we need HTML forms? Forms are needed because there are instances where you need to collect information from your users. Forms allow users to input that information into your website, and that information is sent to a server to be processed. What is the element to create a form? The form element is used to create that form. What element is used to collect data from your users? The input element is used to collect your users' data. How do we differentiate the different types of information we may collect? The input element is used in conjunction with the type attribute. This attribute indicates the different types of input fields. These include text fields, checkboxes, and buttons. Buttons can be submit buttons, but also things like radio buttons. How do we indicate to the user what we are collecting? The label element is used to tell the user what kind of information you are seeking. Let's look at an example. Form opening element, action, equals, left blank. Label element, for attribute equals email value in quotes. To join our list, please enter your email. Label, closing tag, line break. Input, type attribute equals email value in quotation marks. ID attribute equals email value in quotation marks. Name attribute equals email value in quotation marks. Value attribute equals example@domain.com value in quotation marks. Line break. Input type attribute equals submit value in quotation marks. Value attribute equals submit value in quotation marks. Form closing tag. P opening tag. If you click the submit button, the form data will be sent to a page specified in the action attribute in the form element. P closing tag. You will notice some additional attributes. The value of email means that the user must enter a response that follows the format of an email, and we use the value attribute to give the user an example of what we are looking for them to input. Similarly, the value in the submit button input will be the text the user sees on the button. We have left the action attribute blank because we need to discuss this further. In a form that is collecting data, this needs to be specified so it is saved in a proper format and not lost. This code will display like this. If you attempted to enter a response not formatted in an email format, you will get an error message. You are also seeing the default display of a form without specifying the styling. Presented by Designers Learn Code.